In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a professional restaurant website using WordPress and Elementor Pro, step by step. This is perfect for restaurant owners, freelancers, or anyone who wants a modern, high-converting restaurant website without touching code. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully designed site with menus, reservations, and contact details that look premium and work great on mobile. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, we're going to install a professional restaurant template kit. Elementor Pro includes something called template kits, which are complete website designs created by professional designers. These kits include your homepage, inner pages, headers, footers, fonts, and styling, all done for you. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Templates, then click on Kit Library. In the search bar, type in Restaurant or Italian Restaurant. You'll see several professionally designed kits appear. Choose one that matches the style of your restaurant, for example, a fine dining or Italian restaurant kit. Once you select it, click Apply Kit in the top right corner. Elementor will now automatically install all the pages, headers, footers, and global styles. This alone saves hours of design work. Next, let's build your restaurant menu the right way. One common mistake is using PDF menus, which search engines can't read properly and which don't work well on mobile. Instead, we'll use Elementor's built-in Price Menu widget. Go to your menu page and click Edit with Elementor. On the left panel, search for Price List or Price Menu. Drag and drop the widget into a new section on the page. From here, you can add dish names, descriptions, and prices. This creates a clean, SEO-friendly menu that looks great on all devices and helps your restaurant show up better in search results. Now let's add a reservation system so customers can book tables directly from your website. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, then click Add Plugin. In the plugin search bar, type 5-star restaurant reservations. Click Install, and once it's installed, click Activate. This plugin allows customers to make reservations online and sends you notifications automatically. After activation, you'll be guided to the plugin setup screen. Follow the configuration steps to set your opening hours, seating capacity, and notification preferences. This is a critical feature for any professional restaurant website. Now let's improve your footer by adding a live map and contact information. Most restaurant visitors are searching on their phones and want to quickly find your location. Go to Elementor, then Theme Builder, and open your footer for editing. Drag and drop the Google Maps widget into your footer layout. Enter your restaurant's exact address so customers can get directions instantly. You can also add your phone number, email address, and opening hours nearby for maximum convenience. Finally, review your pages, test your reservation form, and make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile view. And just like that, you've learned how to make a pro restaurant website in WordPress and Elementor Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who needs a restaurant website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.